I'm on 4K, 30 frames per second, and I got my white balance color sensor blocked. The sun is directly above. The sensor is blocked. If we stay here for a number of seconds, we may see the light adjust or not adjust. The matrix of the camera does not have exposure lock, and that is a problem with the Action 5 Pro. We're facing towards the water, and we're going to slowly pan up. This is 1/8,000 only manual shutter. As we let it play out for about 15 seconds, we'll start to increase the light. The manual shutters 1/2000 with the ISO, I believe, about 400. And I'm just not so familiar with the manual of cameras. But you get an idea of the shot I'm showing. Automatic shutter 1/400/8000, and the ISO at the minimum 1/400, 100/400. And what we're just doing here is turning Pro off. Whatever the camera can do in the camera itself and nothing more. These are just some sample shots of firmware 104.0701. Thank you for viewing.